Hello everyone, this is Ajit Tavde from Gossipfunda. Is your iOS 18 update taking forever to download? Do not worry, here are quick guides to speed up these things. So, the first is to check your internet connection. For this, go to your Wi Fi settings and ensure that you are connected to a strong and stable network. If possible, switch to a faster Wi-Fi or change to cellular networks if your cellular networks has great coverage. Then second step is to free up your storage. For this, go to settings, click on general, then go to iPhone storage. If you are running low on storage, delete some of the unnecessary apps, photos or files. This would help in speeding up the update process. Then step 3 is to pause background downloads. So stop any app updates or large downloads that might be hogging your bandwidth. You can do is restart your phone. A simple restart can clear minor glitches and refresh your connection. This can be done by simultaneously pressing the volume up, volume down button with the power button and then turning off your phone. Ensure that you do not press any buttons or tap on the screens while the update is going on. This would delay the process of the update. Toggle the airplane mode. Turn it on for a few seconds and then back to reset your network connections. This would also increase the speed of the download. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.